How to find form runner on Temu. In this short tutorial, I will just show you how you can find form runner over Temu in just few steps. So right now I'm into the Temu and you have to just log in. Right, once you log in, so this is a search bar and here you have to type form runner. Right, and once you do it, just click on the search icon. Once you click on it, you will see a lot of form runners and shoes. Right, so this is a copy of easy source, right? So you can just buy it from here. If you want to have a different kind of, if you're looking for men or slides or kids, for example, here if I just click on slides, I can get slides of form runner, right? So this is how you can do it. And if you're looking for men or women, you can just buy here. And once you have confirmed, for example, I like this one, so I will just go here and click on it. Once I click on it, you can see the item is sold. So unfortunately I have to buy another one, so I will just click on this one, and here there's an offer going on and it's very difficult to find which is available. And once you have selected your favorite one, just click on add to cart, and here there is only one available, so I have to buy it very quickly, right? So I will select my sizes and I will just click on add to cart, and in this way you can just buy here, right? So it's very easy to do it. I hope you found this video very useful.